Thank you. Today's workshop, I'm going to talk about scientific publications. So the title is Publish or Perish, maximizing the chance of publication, particularly targeted at postgraduate students and early career researchers. It's so important, not only for graduate students, but also for the whole university in Indonesia, but also in other countries, because we do spend a lot of time on research using public money, the taxpayers' money, and we have the obligation to publish that work so that the scientific knowledge is advanced. Not only that, the community benefits the research impact in terms of, say, for example, in our case, food and health, food security, environmental issues, health, all these areas need some advanced research, and that research has to be published and translated to the community.
What's your expectation after?
I think the workshop will give ideas about what are the steps involved in publishing, because a lot of people struggle in publishing their research in good, reputed international research. So this is the beginning, and I'm sure that people like Dr. Astrani, others will be able to take it up further and advance students and postgraduate students and early career researchers' ability to publish good papers.